I didn't see you there. Today, we're making corundas, which is similar to tamales, but there's no filling.
Just bacon fat.
So first, I'm gonna make the corundas mixture in this mixing bowl here. So as you can tell, this is a completely different texture from cornmeal. It's like a lot,
Finer.
yeah, it's finer. It's like not coarse at all. And you have to use masa. Okay, next, I'm gonna get all this bacon grease out of here. You want about like half a cup. This is gonna provide like a lot of flavor.
Oh, are you gonna measure or are you just dumping it in?
I could measure it.
That's good broth too.
Oh yeah.
Lots of vitamins and minerals.
Organic, free range.
Oh no, those chickens are treated like shit. It's a really, really cheap chicken, and I'm sorry.
But that's where the flavor comes from, it's the suffering. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is just gonna aerate the mixture once it starts cooking. Make it less dense. As always, healthy amount of salt. Or unhealthy amount of salt. And then this one, it's actually traditionally seasoned with cumin, I believe.
Say it with confidence.
Next, gonna add some extra veggies. This is like pretty traditional by itself. Usually these don't really have any filling. But I like to add garlic jalapenos, give it a little extra kick. And then we'll check and see if I need to add more moisture to make it combine better. So now I just want to check and see if it'll hold its shape when I press it. And it does. So that's how you know if you need to add more liquid or not. Don't you touch my corn. Get away from my son.
Who do you think you are?
So notice you like want to get this about like halfway down and then kind of come at it from the sides. And then you keep it all in one piece.
Yeah.
Which is going to be important when we start wrapping. I also think it is stays together better if you wet the corn, whereas if it's dry, it might come apart more easily. So this is the steamer basket we're going to steam these things in. But to keep it clean, we're going to line the bottom with some corn husks that aren't like completely whole, you know?
To make the cut.
We have plenty of corn husks, so this way it'll just keep our basket clean. So I'm going to take a scoop out of here. I'm going to put it right here in the middle of this corn husk. You can kind of just like put in as much as you can fit there. We're going to make it into a nice triangle. And then fold it over like the American flag. Seal it on the back. And then take little strips of corn husk and tie it closed. Look at that. Perfect. And keep going until we're out of the filling.
Nice.
Now we're gonna wait about 20 minutes. So I lied, it's actually about 15 minutes later.
Yeah, these take like an hour.
Let's plate them.
It's salsa time!
You didn't see it, but he closed his eyes. That's a good sign.
These are really satisfying. The bacon fat is like key. It basically tastes like you're eating something like really rich and meaty, but it's corn and jalapenos.
I love this.
Yeah, plus